If you are in need of paintless dent repair in the Lincoln Park neighborhood of Chicago, you have come to the right place. At Bucktown Auto Body, we specialize in removing dents and dings without the need for traditional painting methods, preserving your vehicle's original finish. Our skilled technicians utilize specialized tools to carefully massage the metal back into place, ensuring minimal disruption to your car's exterior. In addition to paintless dent repair, we offer meticulous surface refinishing and detailing to enhance the overall appearance of your vehicle after repair. Don't wait any longer. Call Bucktown Auto Body today for a comprehensive estimate on your paintless dent repair needs.